What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this shoe review, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And we are hitting it really close to that 10,000 subscriber mark here on this YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. If you're not subscribed, you definitely will want to, because once we hit 10K, I plan to host a giveaway and give away a Supreme Floral Skateboard deck and a Supreme Super Soaker. So subscribe to the channel. Yo, the disrespect is real. In hand, and a little bit earlier than the release date, I have the Nike Air Jordan 3 in that Knicks Rival colorway. And I was able to check out this pair a little bit early thanks to Kicking It. Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in North Austin in the Domain Shopping Center. Whether you're looking for the latest Nike or Adidas apparel or shoes, whether you're looking for a match on some Madden football, or if you just want to kick it and chop it up with the knowledgeable staff, Kicking It is where you can. Give them a follow on Instagram or check them out on kickingitATX.com. If you're alive in the 1990s, you know for damn sure how heated this rivalry between the Chicago Bulls and the New York Knicks was. In that era, Chicago Bulls had Dennis Rodman, Tony Kukoc, Scottie Pippen, and Michael Jordan, where the New York Knicks, they had Patrick Ewing, John Starks, and was led by Pat Riley. Anyways, this Jordan 3 Retro commemorates that rivalry. The shoe has an official release date of September 14th, 2019, this Saturday. As of right now, it looks like the shoe is going to be a general release, being released at your typical mall stores like your Finish Line, your Foot Lockers, at your local sneaker boutiques like Kicking It ATX, and also via the Sneakers app. And they will be made available in both adults and kid sizes, where the adult sizes will cost $190 USD and the kid sizes $140 USD at your taxes and your VAT, just based on where you reside. Concerning the resale of this shoe, and again, this is before the official drop date, depending on the size that you need, looking at StockX, looking at GOAT, this shoe is hitting a little bit under the retail price. But who knows after the official release date if the price is going to go up or go down? We really don't know, especially in the shoe market as of late. It's just kind of crazy right now. Upon purchasing these shoes, we are presented with a cardboard box donning some red, black, and gray. Now at the top of the box, or the lid, you see that Jordan Jumpman done up in red. At the front of the box, you have your sizing label right here, and the box on the bottom is actually done in elephant print, which is pretty cool. Opening the box, the tissue paper is also done in that elephant print. Now wrapped up in that tissue paper, of course, reveals the shoes. The Jordan 3 Knicks Rivals. It's a clean, quality shoe. Now the upper of the shoe is mainly comprised of leather, and it feels pretty good to the touch. I have no complaints about this leather whatsoever. Both the lateral and the medial sides of the shoe are identical. Taking a look at the quarter panels, reaching down to the vamp area, it's all done in a white smooth leather. The toe box towards the front of the shoe and the rear heel panel is done in that elephant print design that is made of a leather material, where you have the background that's done in a light gray and the foreground in that darker gray, which is normally black on other elephant print designs. Moving on to the lacing system, it too features some of that elephant print design, and you'll also note that there are some of these eyelets going on that are made out of a TPU material and showcased in that blue and that orange. In traditional Jordan 3 form, they feature the ball and chain hang tab, where it's made out of a plastic. You have the Jumpman that is done in that royal blue, and then the background in orange. And this is attached via the topmost eyelet. Now, we are only provided one set of laces for this set of shoes, and it's of a white color, a flat shape, and a cotton build. Honestly, it would have been cool if they would have put a different color in the box, matching that Knicks theming. Behind those set of laces is the tongue, which is also done in a leather material, where the bottom portion of the tongue is actually perforated and the top portion is actually smooth leather. Now, at the top of the tongue, you see that Jordan Jumpman done up in orange, and it is woven into that leather panel. The reverse side of the tongue features an Easter egg in which you see this orange woven label with white font where it says 040888, signifying April 8th of 1988, and that is when Michael Jordan and the Chicago Bulls went against the New York Knicks, in which they got the W and Michael Jordan had scored 40 points during that game. And just note that this label is read upside down. Now behind that label, you see there is some lining going on, done up in a blue neoprene material, and that matches up with the rest of the lining of the shoe, which is actually really padded on the lateral, the medial, and the heel of the shoe. It feels really good to the touch. Now let's talk about the back a little bit. We already discussed this elephant print right here. Above that, you'll see this rubber TPU going on, and it features the Jumpman and the Air logo done up in blue, and this is actually raised. The collar of the shoe, much like the bottom portion of the tongue, is done in that same white perforated leather. Sticking to that Knicks scheme of color, the insole too falls in line, so you have that blue bed of fabric with the Jordan Jumpman done up in that orange color, and this fabric is placed on a thin piece of blue foam. Moving on to the midsole, it is of an EVA foam build, and yes, there is a Nike Air unit on this shoe. It is placed at the heel, and you can actually see the chamber or the air bubble right here, and this is for impact. The midsole is easily identified with this white and orange paint that goes around the base of the shoe, again complementing that Knicks branding. Moving on to the bottom or the outsole of the shoe, this is done up in a blown rubber to enable flexibility and durability, and it is predominantly done up in this gray color scheme. Towards the front, you see the orange panel done up with the circles, and towards the arch in the heel of the shoe, you have that royal blue going on with the orange Jordan outline. Sizing, normally I'm rocking a size 8.5 or a 9 US, 8.5 being my true to size, and I will say that this Jordan 3 shoe fits true to size. In terms of comfort, with this shoe predominantly being comprised of leather material, it's not very breathable. Also, the shoe doesn't offer adequate cushioning or support, despite having an air unit at the heel of the shoe, so I usually end up putting my own insole that I've bought for Amazon or a local retailer. It is a soft sole arch support, and this makes the shoe feel 100 times better. I will say that the heavy padding around the collar of the shoe, it actually feels pretty comfortable around the ankle. Overall, the shoe is a pretty savage move by Jordan Brand. Like, how are you going to come up with a Jordan 3 shoe and do it up in Knicks color? It's just, that's super outlandish. This shoe was executed very well. I love the colors of this shoe, I love the quality of the materials of the shoe, but most of all, I love that accompanying story. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about this Jordan 3 and how it's done up in Knicks color? Is this a savage move? And will you consider buying this shoe? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And again, we are hitting it close to 10,000 subscribers here on the channel. Thank you for your support. If you're not subscribed, please do so. Alright guys, I am Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers, sige na.